What is the most biggest problem that youth faces today? For me, dagan mo, laylayin mo sitwasyon sa kinabuhi, but for me, I know na dagan yung makarelate aning problem. The most common problem that youth facing today is the financial struggle or financial problem. That's because we people we dream too big but we lack of money and resources. Mao na ang ubang youth is wala na sila nag-continue sa ilang pag-eskwela kay tungod sa money problem. While ang uban po is mas ipili na lang nila na magtrabaho kaysa i-pursue ilang dream para makasuporta po sila sa ilang pamilya. But I believe that money should not define our future because kailangan lang tao determination, inspiration, hard work, faith para mo rise above poverty and make our own success. Because success is not about how much money we have, but success is about how much courage we have to keep still going. And din sa nato kalimutan na nga naay plano ang Ginoo para sa tuwa. We just always need to trust the process and have faith on our God. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. And now let's